So you're looking for ideas on how to get organized but save money at the same time. In this video, I rounded up a couple of my favorite budget-friendly hacks and buys from 2020. I am all about organizing, but I pride myself in finding a good deal. Before we dive into any of these buys and hacks from this past year, if we're just meeting, hey, I'm Lindsay with Organized to Save, and I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive with budget-friendly tips. This past year, with things looking a little bit different, I've not made it into the stores a lot in order to search for organizing products. I've had to switch to shopping online, like I'm sure many of you. Now, one of my favorite money-saving hacks that has actually helped me save money on all of my organizing needs is a Chrome extension on my computer. There's actually two different ones that I've used in the past. If you haven't heard of Honey or Rakuten, you're going to want to check these out. With either of these extensions, you're no longer going to have to waste your time searching for all those coupon codes. It'll automatically find them for you. Now, I personally prefer and have used Rakuten a ton this year. I like it because it actually goes a step further and gives you a cashback option on a ton of different stores. They're constantly updating and changing what stores are available, and you can get some really great deals. We recently actually purchased a new mattress, and by simply using the Rakuten extension, we got $40 cash back. All that you need to do is download the Chrome extension, and as you're shopping on your regular sites that you shop on, if a cashback offer is available, it'll pop it up, you can activate it. Every quarter, they will send you a check with that cashback money. If you haven't checked it out yet, you're gonna want to. No brainer, because you get cashback on things that you are already buying online. If you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link in the description box below where you can get an additional bonus offer off your first purchase. Since I've been shopping online so much for all of my organizing products, one of my favorite Amazon finds is actually some mesh zipper pouches. It came in handy specifically in our playroom because after Christmas, our house became influx with toys, and I needed to figure out a better system for them. Now, I recently redid our entire playroom, so I didn't switch up really any of the systems. I just needed to figure out a better way to store a couple different areas that we got an influx of toys in. I found this package of 24 of these zipper pouches for only $14.99, which, if you do the math, is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. These are a perfect size for so many different things, as they're 9.5 by 13.5, but specifically one of the ways that I used them was to reorganize all of our puzzles. These fit the wooden puzzles perfectly, and it fits all the other puzzle pieces that my daughter got. She got a ton of puzzles for Christmas, so now she can easily come here and find what puzzle she's looking for, and it's gonna keep all the pieces together very easily because I love that it has the nice zipper top. Also work really well to store small toys. My daughter's recently really gotten into her Barbies, and she always loves her babies, so I needed to figure out a way in order to store all of those super small accessories. I used a couple of these and broke down and stored some of her Barbie clothes and all the different doll accessories that she has. So now she can easily find what she's looking for instead of just digging in the bucket. It's also going to help with little fingers getting to things that they're not supposed to as well, since it has the nice zipper top. You can use these for so many different things. These would be great in an office to store different projects that you're working on, or you can even use these as you're traveling to store all of your makeup or bathroom accessories. And the pack that I got came in an assorted color, so you could actually color code these as well. Another one of my favorite toy organizing products that can actually be used in several different ways in your home are tackle boxes. I actually made a whole video on different ways that you can organize using tackle boxes, but one of my favorite budget-friendly tackle boxes is actually from IKEA. We love to use this one to store all of my daughter's Legos. It's great because it has all the different divided out sections. I will leave that video linked down below if you want to check out all the different ways that I use tackle boxes in my home. If you are an IKEA fan, you're gonna love this next one. This is probably one of my favorite projects that I did in 2020, and that is our IKEA shoe hack organizer. The cabinet has solved so many issues for us and was extremely affordable. All of our shoes are now neatly organized, and I even bumped it up a notch by adding in some Dollar Tree mats inside as liners to help keep the cabinets clean. If you want further details on how I actually put this all together, I will have that video linked down below. But if you do not have a budget in order to spend on organizing products, shop your house. Still have some of those shipping boxes laying around the house from Christmas? I know we got a ton of them. Actually use those to make amazing organizers. A couple months ago, I helped my best friend completely transform her laundry room utilizing only things that she had on hand, which was a lot of boxes. Completely reorganized her entire laundry room, spending zero money whatsoever, and simply just took a couple cardboard boxes that she had on hand, put some nice white paper on the front, and it made for a cohesive and affordable organizer. Also done other videos where I've spent $0 on organizing, so if you need more inspiration on how to get organized on a budget, check out the description. In regards to keeping my time organized, because we all know time is money, my favorite organizing tool of this year is my newest portrait digital planner. I absolutely love digital planning. For me, it's the perfect solution. It's portable, it gives me all the fun features of a paper planner, but I don't have to worry about losing it because it's always on my iPad or my iPhone. And it's also affordable because if you didn't know, all of my planners come undated, so that way you can literally buy it once and use it year after year. No more spending an arm and a leg every single year buying a new planner. But if you're needing more ideas on how to get organized or even plan your year in advance, you're going to want to check out the video on your screen right now to see how you can start planning your entire year now and get ahead of the game.